Revenue's new tax agent to PAYE workers online linking process. This manual and video guide outlines how BOIL payroll project management, agent and client linking process functions in Revenue's systems. Previously, as an agent advisor, BOIL payroll project management required a potential customer to sign a consent form. That was then uploaded to Revenue's systems to activate the linking process, and a confirmation was sent to the taxpayer. Revenue felt that there was a risk that bad actors could abuse this process, resulting in the possibility that customers could be linked without necessarily knowing of or approving of that link. The new e-linking process for both agents and customers is available from the 25th of March 2025, and this video from BOIL Payroll Project Management BPPM, who are administrators of the social media platform called Payroll Matters in Ireland, was made to coincide with the introduction of this new process. So today is the date I am publishing this video, which happens to be the 25th of March, and you will note that Revenue's system was already down today so that they could introduce this new process. With the new e-linking process, the requirement and responsibility lies with the PAYE customer to approve the link request, providing a greater security and transparency to both the agent, which in this case is BOIL Payroll Project Management, and you, the potential client. This represents an enhancement to the agent link process involving BOIL Payroll Project Management. In our capacity as a tax agent and advisor, initiating the linking process online, and you as our potential client separately actioning the request. The measure is an enhancement to digital security, which is a priority for Revenue to protect both practitioners and their clients from identity theft. That can be used to alter bank details and misdirect repayments and tax refunds. Revenue has seen numerous attempts at this type of abuse. I am very pleased to report that we at the Facebook group Payroll Matters in Ireland were instrumental in highlighting some of the issues associated with some of these bad actors, as Revenue calls them. I actually was a guest on the Joe Duffy show that highlighted issues with some tax agents, tax back, tax refund or tax rebate companies. It must be said, however, that the majority of tax agents are not included within this bad actor category. Most of the issues arose around the A2 process for PAYE, or Pay As You Earn taxpayers. This facility allowed PAYE taxpayers to authorise refunds or repayments to be paid into their agent's bank account. 2025 changes to tax agent authorizations. Revenue withdrew the A2 process for Pay As You Earn PAYE taxpayers signing up with agents, as in from the 1st of January this year, 2025. This facility had allowed PAYE taxpayers the facility to authorise refunds or repayments to be paid into their agent's bank account. These repayments include overpayments in income tax and universal social charge. Revenue withdrew the A2 process. A. For any new clients who sign up to an agent with effect from the 1st of January 2025, and will withdraw it for B. Agents with existing clients before the 31st of December 2024, as in from the 1st of January 2026. So from the 1st of January 2026, no tax agent will be able to alter a taxpayer's bank account and replace it with their own. The benefits of ending this process include 1. Reducing risks to taxpayers. 2. Stopping unauthorised changes to customer bank details. And 3. eliminating the need for agents to retain refunds where they are unable to make contact with the client. Revenue recognises the valuable contribution agents like us at Boyle Payroll Project Management make to helping their clients voluntarily comply with their tax and duty obligations. Withdrawing the A2 process will not prevent PAYE taxpayers employing an agent like us at Boyle Payroll Project Management to file their PAYE returns. I am a tax and payroll professional at Boyle Payroll Project Management, Ireland's leading payroll outsource provider for small businesses. As a result of these changes, and because Boyle Payroll Project Management, BPPM, are tax agents, we recently decided to increase the resources assigned to processing or completing income tax returns or Form 12s, claiming tax credits, etc. for any PAYE taxpayers that wish to have someone complete them on their behalf. Before this, we only provided this service to a limited number of PAYE workers employed by our payroll processing clients. We at Payroll Matters in Ireland continue to encourage PAYE workers to look after their own tax affairs and have many helpful guides just like this one to assist them. We are aware that some taxpayers still wish to pay someone to do it for them, so feel free to pop me an email to info@bppm.ie for details. I will return to this again later in the video, where I will be giving the details of what PAYE workers need to do in order for BPPM to look after their PAYE income tax affairs and keep them up to date with the tax credits, etc. that they may be entitled to claim. I am sure many of you watching this video will have seen advertisements from some companies stating that the average tax refund our clients receive is €1,279 or some such similar adverts. Some of these companies operated on a no refund, no fee basis. The downside to this was, of course, that they did take a percentage of any refund, and some of the percentages taken were quite high. Imagine someone that was due a refund of €5,000 and only ended up with €4,000 or less when fees and charges were deducted. Not only that, many of them were left waiting for the refunds because the refunds went into these tax agents' bank accounts, and the agents subsequently paid out the balance to the taxpayer. We have a few videos done regarding this, and this is one of them, outlining the changes introduced from January this year, 2025. Let me just say that we at Boyle Payroll Project Management do not act in this way. We process your income tax return based on the information you provide to us. We offer guidance as to what income should be declared and what tax credits should be applied for. The end result is that your income tax affairs for a year may be balanced, underpaid, or overpaid. Either way, we simply charge you a flat fee, regardless of whether you are due a tax refund of €8,000 or have underpaid tax of €1,000. Any refunds due go directly to you. We constantly remind our clients that they are required, and it is their responsibility, to keep all original receipts and supporting documentation for 6 years when making a claim. The new Agent Link Manager application provides customers and their agents and advisors with a quick, secure and cost-effective method to conduct their business electronically with revenue. It allows agents and advisors and their clients functionality such as viewing and accepting or rejecting agent link requests. PAYE taxpayers and customers of revenue without a myAccount registration will continue to be processed under the old linking rules. That is, upon submission of the link request by the agent with an attached and signed agent/advisor link notification form like this one. This is a notice from Revenue. This tax and duty manual TDM is being made available in advance of the release of the new e-linking process to facilitate customers and agents/advisors in familiarizing themselves with the new application. As we are on the subject of Revenue, the content of this video is taken from an e-brief issued by Revenue, and it is Revenue e-brief number 053/25, published on the 28th of February 2025. This video contains information provided courtesy of the Revenue Commissioners, license under a Creative Commons Attribution 4.0 International CC by 4.0 license. Agent e-link process for PAYE customers. Online registered PAYE customers will be alerted by an email about link requests submitted by an agent advisor like BPPM to a potential client or customer. It is sent to your personal email address and state that you received new correspondence from Revenue. A My Inquiry inbox notification will be available to view, informing you that you have an agent advisor requesting to link or register you to a new or existing tax registration type, for example, income tax, capital gains tax, as you can see in these screenshots. This is the new My Inquiry screen showing a link request from an agent. The My Inquiry sent to myAccount customers, as shown here, appears with a status of a Revenue initiated request. Link requests submitted by an agent or advisor via e-registration will no longer automatically create the link unless you are not registered with myAccount. Agent Link Manager. Customer dashboard for myAccount PAYE taxpayers. A new customer dashboard opens from the My Inquiry in myAccount, which enables customers to review any pending link requests sent from an agent or advisor in a single place. Your dashboard is also accessible from the myAccount Manage My Record screen by clicking Manage Agent Link Requests, as seen in this figure. This one is the Manage Agent Link Request screen for myAccount customers. As a potential customer, you can approve or reject a link request sent by the agent by accessing your Agent Link Manager dashboard through the Manage Agent Link Request option in myAccount. This Agent Link Manager dashboard screen displays a table of agent link requests, each accompanied by a deadline date for required action. You can either approve or reject the agent link request using the action links. The agent name, TIN number, and tax registration type are also displayed. The dashboard also shows existing links that no longer have a pending status. Agent Link Manager dashboard is outlined on this screen. Customers and pending link requests. When you click on one of the pending entries, you will be brought to the Agent Link Request Details screen, where you can view additional details and approve or reject the link request if its status is pending, as seen here. The Agent Link Request details are set out on this screen. Potential customers and approving link requests from agents. When you approve an agent link request, the status of the pending link request will be set to approved and the contract will be closed. An acknowledgement screen shows that you have approved the link and that the link will become active within 2 working days as seen here. This screen shows the approval of the agent link request by you. In addition, customers are advised to check that the bank account details associated with their revenue records are correct. In your Agent Link Manager dashboard, the link request will have the status of approved. This is the View Link Requests screen. When you click View, the link request details will be displayed and no further actions can be made as the agent advisor has been authorized by you. This screen gives the view of approved link request details. A confirmation message will also be sent to your inbox on My Enquiries to confirm the link request has been approved as seen in this screenshot. This is the My Enquiries notification screen of approved agent link requests. When the document type Agent Client Link Approval in My Enquiries is opened, the following confirmation message will be displayed. This is a sample of the confirmation message sent to your My Enquiries inbox. Customers and rejecting link requests. The link request can also be rejected by you by clicking Reject Link Request when the link request is opened from the Agent Link Manager dashboard inbox notification on your My Account, My Enquiries. This is the Approve or Reject View screen. Here is the Reject Link Request View screen. This acknowledgement message will be displayed to you when Reject Link Request is selected. This screen contains the link request rejected message. The status will be set to rejected on the Agent Link Manager. On this screen, you can see that the status of the request is set to rejected. By clicking View, you can see the details of the rejected link request. No further action can be taken on this link request. This screenshot shows the rejected agent link request details view. A confirmation message will be sent to your My Enquiries inbox to confirm the link request has been rejected and also to the requesting agent. Expiry of pending agent link requests. Pending link request will expire after 30 days and you will not be able to approve them after this. Any link request in this state will be set with an expired status. The contact will be closed and a new My Enquiry will be issued to both you and your agent explaining that the link request has now expired. You will not be able to approve or reject the link after this has occurred and you will need to ask your agent advisor to resubmit the link request if you still wish to link to that agent. This is the Agent Link Manager expired request view. If you access a notice that is not in a pending state, the link request will be in view mode only and you will not have the option to approve or reject it as seen here. This is the expired agent link request details view. Ceasing of agents links. If an agent advisor is no longer required or desired to act on behalf of a PAYE customer, this change can be made in My Account under Manage My Record, View or Remove a PAYE agent. Agent linking process for non-digital clients. Where link requests submitted by an agent to a client with no online registration in My Account, the agent will not be able to use the new e-linking application if clients are not registered with Revenue's online system, My Account. In such instances, agents will continue to use the client consent forms which must be uploaded and submitted to create the client or tax registration link. A customer without a My Account registration must notify their agent and Revenue if they no longer wish them to act on their behalf. That's the new process going forward from today, the 25th of March. And we at Boyle Payroll Project Management are happy to be able to inform you about it. If, as a result of this, you wish BPPM to act as an agent on your behalf to review your 2024 tax affairs or any previous year's taxes for you, or indeed for any small businesses that want BPPM to process their payroll, as I said earlier, just pop me an email to info@bppm.ie. We don't take shortcuts. We don't promise that you will get a refund, but we will promise you that we will act in accordance with Revenue's compliance guides. We also promise that we will bring you through a detailed process to ensure you are getting everything you are entitled to, even in cases where you may not be aware of what all these entitlements are. The same applies to declaring your taxable income. Following your request for BPPM to act as your tax agent, and once you approve the request, then we will send you an email with the details and the information we need in order to complete your income tax return for whatever year you wish to have completed. My final and important message before I leave you for now is, can I ask those of you that have not already done so to hit the subscribe button, and also to turn on YouTube notifications for this channel so you can get an alert every time we post a new video guide, as we have many more helpful pay, income tax and other work-related guides and videos to bring you. It costs you nothing to subscribe, but could help you save hundreds or even thousands of euro into your hand on pay and tax. Go on, hit that subscribe button. Go on. Go on. Hit that subscribe button. Thank you. See you next time.